Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy shawl or scarf. So let's get started. To make this shawl, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with chain 37. So once you have your chain 37, double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will take the place of the first double crochet and a chain 1 space. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And those are called V stitches because they look like a V. And I'm going to do that all the way across the row. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way across the row. And that's how that will look when you finish the row. And now every row is going to be exactly the same. You're going to turn your work, slip stitch into that first chain 1 space, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that takes the place of the first double crochet and the chain 1 space, double crochet in that same chain 1 space. And that will be the first V stitch of the second row. And now all the way across the row, in every chain 1 space of the V stitch, you're going to make a V stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So you're just going to keep working that same row over and over. You can see there's the V stitch in each row. And you're going to keep working until your shawl is long enough to wrap around your body. For small, that would be about 5.5 feet, medium 6.5 feet, large 7.5 feet, extra large 8.5 feet. To make the fringe, I wrapped my yarn around a book, and this is about 8 inches long. So I wrapped it around like that, and then I used scissors and I just cut along one end. And then I had fringe that was about 16 inches long. So I folded the fringe in half, and then across the end I went into the V stitch and I pulled that fold through, and then I just took the ends and pulled them right through that loop. So I'm going to do that all the way across on both ends. Okay, I've got my fringe on both ends, and I put one fringe in each V stitch. If you like a thicker fringe, you could also put one between the V stitches. And there's the finished shawl. But it's very soft and flexible because of using the large stitch. Now you could block it if you like, but I don't usually find that this big stitch needs to be blocked all that much. I'm going to show you how it looks on the mannequin. You could wear it like this, where you've just made it in the front in a V, and then the fringe would all hang down in the front. Or you could overlap it in the front like this. And here's the back. In the cold months, you could wear it as a scarf.